Hello friends. Xiaomi Auto Super Factory is a Xiaomi Auto industrial base located in Beijing Yizhuang Economic Development Zone. On March 28, 2017, Xiaomi Group held a press conference for the launch of Xiaomi Auto with the theme of moving forward at Beijing Yizhuang International Convention and Exhibition Center to officially launch the Xiaomi SU7. Xiaomi Auto Super Factory has introduced more than 700 robots, including automatic inspection robots, autonomous mobile robots, etc., to realize key processes such as large pressure column stamping and body connection. After the production capacity is ramped up and reaches full capacity, the factory can produce about 40 Xiaomi SU7 per hour. And a new car will roll off the assembly line every 76 seconds. The Xiaomi Auto Super Factory has already taken the lead over traditional car factories in some aspects. For example, the entire system is equipped with the 829.5 flagship chip platform as standard, and the easy-to-buy compatibility of Xiaomi Pinnacle OS enables precise scheduling of hardware resources. The entire vehicle is equipped with rich ecological expansion interfaces, which can be realized. The central control screen is now expanded up and down, left and right. The central console is divided into 4 phases. The intercom speaker can be replaced at will to prepare for the tablet bracket, etc. Xiaomi tablet, iPad also has 3/4 standard Rowan interface boxes in car. Xiaomi Cart starts the in-vehicle intelligent ecology. Xiaomi's 9/100-ton super large pressure column is not only larger than Tesla's 60-ton in Shanghai Super Factory, but also larger than Tesla's most advanced 90-ton integrated pressure column in the United States. 100-ton adopts integrated large pressure column technology to use a giant large end pressure column machine to the separate and scattered parts of the body are integrated into one for high production efficiency and strong and reliable parts. Xiaomi Auto Super Factory have self-developed alloy materials without heat treatment and self-developed large-scale injection molding cluster. Xiaomi Auto Super Factory has developed its own alloy materials that do not require heat treatment, and the only one in China that has self-developed alloy materials without heat treatment and self-developed large-scale injection molding cluster. In addition, the collaborative work of robots in the body workshop reduces manual intervention, reduced production costs and error rates. In the painting workshop, the fast color change system can be applied to the fast filling, cleaning and quantitative supply and washing of various colors of paint to achieve infinite switching of vehicle colors.